Welcome back, fourth graders. Today we will be discussing the differences between parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines are lines that will never meet and never cross. They will always stay the same distance apart. However, a perpendicular line, you will notice, seems to always form an L shape. It also has a 90-degree angle. Usually, we like to use a little square here to indicate that it is a 90-degree angle. On your own today, you will be determining whether these line segments are parallel or perpendicular. We will work together on at least 2 or 3 of them just so we can get a great idea before you move on to your other video that will really give you more detailed information about perpendicular and parallel lines and an online practice. So let's look at number 1. I'll give you a moment. Do you believe number 1 is a great example of a parallel or perpendicular line or intersecting line? Take a moment. All right, fourth graders, if you chose parallel, you are correct. Number 1 is a perfect example of 2 lines that are a certain distance apart and they will never cross paths. What about number 2? I'll give you a moment to do some really great thinking and let me know if this is an example of a parallel or perpendicular or intersecting line. All right, fourth grade. So if you chose perpendicular, you are absolutely correct. Number 2 is a wonderful example of a shape that is on a 90-degree angle that also crosses paths with another line. And just for review, number 3, do you believe will be a parallel line, a perpendicular line, or an intersecting line? I'll give you a moment. Okay. If you notice, number 3 is very different from our other 2 line segments. It is not a certain distance apart. It does not form an L shape. It is not at a 90-degree angle. Number 3 is a perfect example of an intersecting line. Again, after clicking on this video, we have a really great detailed video for you on parallel and perpendicular lines and a really fun practice. Don't forget to take a look. Have a wonderful day.